2,000 daw ng easy card. So we're riding the taxi from Taipei main station. Hi guys, this is Jessie Katz. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. This is our hotel guys, Green World, and ito lang yung Xiamen Metro Station. O, diba? Xiamen Metro Mall. Baba. Hi guys! So we finally made it to our hotel. Technically, we're planning to do it and transfer through Metro. However, when we reach Taipei main station, there is no easy card available. That is our mistake, guys. Kasi hindi kami bumili ng easy card from the airport itself. So, eto na nga. Actually, katabing-katabi lang niya yung exit number 5, Xiamen Station. So, ayan yung itsura ng floor namin. We're on the 12th floor. Not there. Okay. Go. Somebody there? No. Dapat you have to knock 3 times. Okay. Tayo dito. Oh, mayroon kami complimentary. May mini fridge. Yan. Kasi ito yung banyo, guys. It's okay. It's ayan. Banyo is my bidet. This is Japanese bidet, guys. Ayan. May mga towels naman. You have to press. And then, may ganito siya. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Oh. Tapos, curtain. Tingnan natin dito. Oh. Meron naman pala siya. Ayan, shower gel. Ayan. It's okay. Malinis naman. Okay. Open mo yung TV. Ayan yung bed. So, ito. Yan lang, guys. Oh. Emergency. Please make up room. Privacy. Ayan. Okay. Well, malinis naman siya, guys. Katabi siya ng 7-Eleven, Hello Kitty, and Sushiro Japanese restaurant. Kaya, happy naman kami dito sa aming place. Yan pala ang aming bed. O, yan, guys. Double bed. Tapos, may lalagyanan din doon. Tapos, may cutesy dito. Hangiran. Yan. Cute ng design. It's all white. Yan si Kuya. Tapos, yung ceiling niya, ganyan. Ayun, si Mia. There's a small TV there. Tapos, ito may vanity. Tapos, nag-provide din naman sila ng sleeper. Itong namin. Ito nga pala yung adapter niya. Parang sa Pinas, no, guys? So, here's the 7-Eleven na katinaman. Cutie, diba? Ganda-ganda. And, ayan yung hallway paglabas. Yan ang decor sa floor namin. Actually, itong building na to is meron ding Just Sleep. Oo, Just Sleep na hotel. So, parang yung building sharing sila dun sa isa pang hotel. So, depende ko anong floor. Tapos, sa 13th floor pala ang check-in at saka ang breakfast area. So, ayan o, yan ang design dito sa amin. I think iba-ibang floor, iba-ibang design. And, the water pressure is okay. Yung nabook namin, guys, is may kasamang breakfast. So, ayan, kumakain kami ni Mia. Day 2 na namin yun. Syempre, dumating kami gabi na, diba? So, ayan ang mga food nila. So, for us, not so okay. Okay lang yung breakfast. Marami ka naman kayong option makakainan paglabas yun ng hotel. So, okay lang yun. Sa amin, is importante yung malinis yung hihigaan namin. May bidet. Of course, sanay na kami doon. So, I choose talaga the place, the hotel na mayroong bidet. So, ito, so far, pasok din sa budget namin. Hindi masyadong mahal. And very near, very accessible sa grocery, sa sasakyan. Kaya, para sa amin, okay na tong hotel na to. And, we will definitely come back. Diba? Because we love this area. So, ayan. And kasi nga gusto namin we stay next to Shimending. Yun lang. Sa mga first time traveler, I recommend this hotel if you want to explore Shimending area, Shimending Night Market. This is the right place, right hotel. Pero nahirapan rin kami mag-Google kasi parang hindi siya nag-appear dun sa Google Map. So just type na lang guys, Just Sleep Hotel kasi mas ano pa yon, mas makikita dun sa pag nag-Google Map kami kasi nag-try rin kami mag-taxi dito sa area na to. So yun lang guys, kakain muna kami and if you have any question, you can you can put your comment down below. Pero para sa amin, this place is okay, value for your money, malinis, accessible sa transportation, and family friendly yung place. So okay lang sa amin to. Yun lang, have a great day, and this is our room tour. Going. And this is our second day na food. Kaya lang kumain na nga kami ng scallion pancake na yan. So, ito rin yung waiting area. Diyan din nila ilalagay yung mga baggage nyo. If mag-check out na kayo. Ayan, guys, doon sa side na yon. By the way, guys, pagkakain nyo, you have to clear yung mga ginamit yung utensil. Ilalagay nyo sa side. Parang i-dish out nyo. Ganon. Medyo na iba lang ng konti from yesterday niya, no? So, for today, ito ang in-order namin kasi na-try na namin yung iba. Masyadong heavy. At saka kumain na kami ng scallion pancake. So, with onion rings yan kanina and egg for mommy. Oh, ayan yung egg mo na. Get mo na yung egg. Of course, coffee. Right there. That's it guys, that's our room tour. By the way, water pressure also malakas. Yun lang guys, till next video!